Select the image you want to use and move it into your current directory or asset folder. Insert the image into your current directory. In CSS, background size contain scales the background image to fit entirely within the element, maintaining its aspect ratio. This ensures the whole image is visible without stretching or cropping, and there may be empty space on the sides if the image and element aspect ratios differ. Next, center the image on the screen. Position your brand initially at the center, then rotate it slightly counterclockwise as desired. I have rotated it by -4 degrees. Adjust your brand position according to your background image. For the animation part, add the animation property to the div containing your image. To create a flickering effect, I added some random values and reduced the opacity accordingly. Feel free to experiment with your own values.